When I first started making YouTube videos, I had no idea what I was doing.
I hope you enjoyed this video and maybe more.
Back in 2014, when I posted my first YouTube video, I was just making skateboard videos because it was fun with friends and I just wanted to document my tricks. And it was just something that I did.
Hit me, I will kill you. Ah! Oh! What happened?
Fast forward a little bit later, I actually branched out into lifestyle videos, making more vlogs.
Doing this at school is just gonna be the art of like not giving a f.
And more things that would appeal to a wider audience because that's what I wanted. I wanted a wider audience and I wanted to make videos that weren't just skateboarding related because I kind of honestly just grew tired of just making skateboard videos. So I was like, I'm out. I'm gonna do anything I want instead. You can't put me in a box. Honestly, for a while, I didn't really know if I had style or not. But as of recently, some people have been coming up to me and they're like, I love your style of editing, stuff like that. So I guess I do now. I'll take it. And with that said, we are going to jump in and dive deep into all my editing tricks. Number one, a simple burn transition. It looks like this.
If you really do what excites, you get a rat tail.
So the way I do this effect is that I actually just download a film burn overlay. You can pretty much just look it up. Most of them are free. I take 2 clips and I put it on top in between them, change the opacity to screen. I'll adjust the clip to the exact spot the burn is most clear. After that, of course, I add a torch sound effect, and together you get this simple yet effective transition. Number 2, slow motion. That's when I realized something. I wasn't nervous, I was excited. So when I'm out shooting, I make sure to turn my camera to 120 frames per second. You don't have to have a camera that does 120 frames per second, but the higher the frame rate, the slower you can go. So even 60 frames will be great. And what I really like to do is speed ramp slow motion. Let me explain. Right-click the top right of the clip that you want to slow-mo and click speed. Then with the mouse, I click 2 points where I want to slow-mo the clip. Pull down the line on one clip to 25% to make it slow motion, adjust the points to smooth the ramp, and of course add some sound effects to make it beautiful. And there you have a slow motion effect. Number 3, B-roll. B-roll is essentially clips that I use to tell my story better. Let's say I'm doing a talking head like I'm doing right now, and I want to explain something. Well, I search through my clips or I go out and I film content that matches perfectly to what I'm talking in my A-roll shot. I then adjust the audio -10 dB so I can slightly still hear the clip, but it won't interfere with the actual A-roll talking. And pro tip, make sure to add an audio transition between your B-roll clips so there's no pops.
It is currently 3:46 p.m. It is getting a little dark, it's kind of sunset time, but I thought I'd turn on the camera, because why not? It is currently 3:46 p.m. It is getting a little dark, it's kind of sunset time, but I thought I'd turn on the camera, because why not?
Number 4, sound design.
This is me right now.
And while I might look okay to some, to me, I know I can achieve more.
See, for the past few months,
When I first started editing, I never touched sound design. I didn't even know that was a thing. Like, I didn't know that made videos better, but trust me, it does. By adding sounds, it can enhance the viewer's experience tenfold. And in my opinion, sound is more important than even your visual. I could watch bad footage with great audio over good footage and bad audio. Might be a hot take, but that's my take. One of my favorite sounds is a whoosh. It sounds like this. And pretty much I put it under a clip that has some type of movement. I also really like risers. It's really great for adding suspense or transition clips.
today I'm turning 25.
Damn! I also love to add sounds that are just in the actual video. Whether I'm going outside and I open a door, or I'm at a park and I hear people walking by. You can pretty much go online and search the exact sound and be like, walking sound. And there you have it. You put it under and it makes it that much better. Number 5, pro tip, be inspired by other artists. This, what I'm about to say, is not an editing trick, but in my opinion, it's the most important tip throughout this entire tutorial. When I first started YouTube, I didn't know what I was doing. So you have to be inspired by other creators, by other movie makers, and really just take what you like. I remember just watching so many YouTube videos being like, oh, I love that transition. Ooh, I love the way the camera looks there.
All right, so you want to fight me or what's up? You trying to box? Yeah, I'll box.
And that's what's awesome about making videos is that you can really create your own style and anything you do is your own style. So you might feel a little off in the beginning and it might feel like a little imposter syndrome, but trust me, you'll get over it and you'll just enjoy making videos. In the end, everyone's journey will be different and I'm sure you will find your own editing style. But enjoy these trick tips and of course, don't forget to use Adobe Premiere Pro. Peace.